Oh, this is Pixie. Pixie, say hey. Say hey, fat girl. Pixie, say hey. Say hey, guys. Y'all, Pixie is heavy. Like, she like 20 pounds. She might not look big on camera, but, ooh, child. Okay, let me tell y'all about Pixie. Come on, Pix. Pixie is a pit bull. And she bad. Pixie, you want me to tell them what you did last night? Want me to tell them? She smells so good. She smells like, I don't know, but she smells so good. She smells so good. What's Snickers? Snickers! But yeah. Nah, girl, you heavy. I gotta put you down. You're too heavy for me. You're too heavy. You're too heavy, Pixie. You're too heavy, mama. She eat like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times a day. What Snickers at? He downstairs? Pixie, take a picture. Come on. Come on. Pixie.